Okay, it's the 23rd of May. It's a Thursday. There's going to be two videos out. There'll be the weather, forecast I do here, and then there'll also be one which covered the rain for the next couple of days. I'll release that one too. But if you look at that video, I talk about the cell here that happened this morning around 10 o'clock here. It was very brutal. Power failures up in here. I drove through this, and I'm going to estimate some of the wind gusts were close to 60 mile an hour or so. Vehicle I'm in was shaking back and forth. I had to stop and pull over and just let all the branches fall all over the place and then drive through it. So that was a wicked storm. And then, as we can see, temperature-wise, let's see here if I can make this happen. Sometimes this thing doesn't listen to me. You can see at that moment how much there was the cold temperatures from the rain and the wind, and it moved off. Now, but this afternoon, it'll warm up. Temperatures will get into the 80s in South Central PA, Southeastern PA, Delaware, and New Jersey for the most part. Everybody else is in the mid to upper 70s. As we move into Saturday, as we go into Friday morning, I'm sorry, Saturday. I'm a little ahead of myself here. This is Saturday morning. Temperatures 50s to the north, 60s to the south. Precipitation, this is around 7 in the morning. Right along the Mason-Dixon line, south of that, in southern New Jersey and Delaware, there could be showers and a couple of thunderstorms that could pop up during the day on Friday, as you can see here. But everything pretty much stays south. Temperatures on Friday, let's see here. On Friday. Here we go. Let's back it up. As you can see, the I-95 corridor, again, temperatures in the mid 80s. It gets warm. And then 680s elsewhere in central and south central and southeastern PA, and even out by Pittsburgh, you get into the 80s. Everybody else is in the mid to upper 70s on Friday. As we move into Saturday, this is the transition kind of a day coming up here. It warms up. You can see it central. There's still some 80s popping up in central and southeastern PA. But as we get to the afternoon, thunderstorms are going to start to explode. And this is around 8 o'clock in the evening on Saturday. And you can see where these temperatures have started to rain. I think there's going to be a significant line of storms work their way across the state. See, there it is there in the afternoon around 5. And then I think it kind of falls apart, but yet there's still some scattered thunderstorms as you get into Saturday evening. And then everybody wants to know about the weekend. Um, Here we go. Now here's Sunday afternoon temperatures. Again, I-95 corridor, you're warm. You're in the mid 80s out here in Jersey, mid 80s to upper 80s. Along the coast, not too bad. Temperatures upper 70s to near 80. Back in Pennsylvania, temperatures are, basically upper 80s to upper 70s to around 80 degrees. Precipitation on Sunday looks like this. So that's your day to have a picnic, okay? As we move into Monday overnight, you can see rain comes across overnight. This is around 5 o'clock in the morning. Rain is moving across the state. As we get during the daylight hours, there will be off and on. I don't think it's anything to cancel anything. You might have to take cover quickly. This shows some showers going on around midday, and then they move off to the east. Um, a couple of thunderstorms down here in South Jersey, Delaware, over towards Maryland over here. And again, I'm not going to count off maybe a thunderstorm like 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the evening on Monday. And then your temperatures will peak out. Let's see, we can work this. Temperatures, that's your evening temperatures. Temperatures will peak out on Monday ahead of the day. This is around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and you got some 80s in central PA, but for the most part, everybody's in the 70s to around 80, and in extreme eastern PA, northeastern PA, temperatures may hang around in the 60s. Jersey, again, not too bad of a beach day, temperatures in the 70s, and then Delaware, you're in the 80s. Starting on June 1st, we are going to do, I'll announce it, but there's going to be specific weather pages for the shoreline, Delaware and New Jersey and I'm going to be doing a video for that and some other new stuff that's going to be coming up, and that'll take effect on June 1st. Might even be a website you can go to for free, and it'll zoom in on different cities on the East Coast and also the shoreline. All right, everybody, take it easy, be safe out there. I won't update this tomorrow. Busy with work. I will update this Saturday. All right, everybody, take it easy.